This is November 20th Daily Review. Use inverse operation to solve n. Inverse means opposite. So we're going to look for opposite operation of minus 4. In this case, it is plus 4. Since we add 4 to this side of an equal sign, you must do exact same thing to the other side of an equal sign. So when you do that, minus 4 and plus 4 will cancel each other out, which will leave just n by itself. On this side of an equal sign, we have 10 plus 4, which is 14. So n is equal to 14. So let's go ahead and replace 14 in place of n and check and see if it works out. So we have 14 minus 4. Is that really equal to 10? Yes, it is. So it checks out. Number 2. We have n times 2 is equal to 24. So we have times 2. We need to do inverse opposite of times 2, which is divided by 2. So do exact same thing to other side of an equal sign. So that will give us, let's see, times 2 and divided by 2 will cancel each other out, which will leave us n is equal to, we have 24 divided by 2, which is 12. Okay, let's check and see if this works out. Replace 12 in place of n. 12 times 2. Is that equal to 24? Yes, it is. So it checks out. Number 3. We have n times 9 is equal to 72. Opposite of times 9 is divided by 9. So do exact same thing to the other side of an equal sign. Times 9 and divided by 9 will cancel each other out, which will leave us n on this side of an equal sign. Now we have 72 divided by 9. 72 divided by 9 is 8. Okay, let's plug 8 in place of n. Check and see if it works out. 8 times 9. Is that really 72? Yes, it is. So it checks out. Number 4. We have n plus 12 is equal to 30. Opposite of plus 12 is minus 12. Do the same thing to the other side. So plus 12 and minus 12 will cancel each other out. So we have n equal to, of course you can do this one on your own. Number 5. We have 8 times n is equal to 40. I'm going to rewrite this as n times 8 is equal to 40, because 8 times n is same thing as n times 8. We are going to do opposite of times 8, which is divided by 8. Do the same thing to the other side. Times 8 and divided by 8 will cancel each other out. That will leave us with n is equal to 40 divided by 8. You can do this one on your own. Thanks.